Hey guys, what's up? So this is my very first day of braces. Like you can say this is like a nightmare because I thought somebody would just come in and pinch me and say, "Oh, you don't have anything in your mouth." But then no. I do have braces. So I was supposed to get the transparent braces, the entirely transparent brackets, but then I end up getting this one with just a silver touch in the middle of the where the wire is going to be placed because the doctor said me this would heal up more quickly. Not a big difference, but at least a month or 2 months difference. So I thought, ठीक है ना, I'll put this one. But now I regret. One single tip I would like to give you that is visit the doctor before you plan to do this as many times as you can, because at the end of the day don't make such mistakes that I did. Because okay, even I visited the doc 4 times before I wanted to get my braces done so that I could figure it out कि ये चीज़ कैमरे में दिखेगी या नहीं, ये चीज़ वीडियो में दिखेगी कि नहीं, all of these thoughts were in my mind and I got it cleared and so I finalized the transparent braces. But I don't know what happened yesterday when I sat on that hot seat of the dentist. तब मतलब आई डोंट नो, ही आस्क्ड मी दैट क्वेश्चन कि बॉस क्या आपको क्या चाहिए, इसके अलावा भी एक और ऑप्शन है, वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा जल्दी हील हो जाता है. एंड you were sitting on that seat, you will just not think about anything except for braces आने वाले. मतलब that excitement only, I mean that nervousness, that excitement kills everything in your brains and you are not able to think anymore. That is what happened with me. I could not think what I want to do. I did not even see what he is, of which braces he is talking about, and I was just like, ठीक है 1-2 महीने में जल्दी हो जाएगा ना, ठीक है डाल दो. It was like that. So yeah, प्लीज़ डू विजिट एंड डू फाइनलाइज इट बिफोर. और जिस दिन डॉक्टर तुम्हें बताए ना बैठने के टाइम कि इसके अलावा भी ये ऑप्शन है, डोंट गो फॉर इट. नहीं बॉस, मैंने वो चूज़ किया है, मेरे को आप वही दो, अभी कुछ मत बताओ. इफ आई कुडंट स्लीप द एंटायर नाइट थिंकिंग दैट what if I sleep on my face like this, if the pillow is on my face, then I think this might hurt because this is going to be touched like this and yeah, the experience is going to be bad. So I didn't sleep the entire night. This is so cool. I don't know why, but I feel like keeping my lips like this so that it remains away from the braces and it doesn't touches the braces and it feels good as if the braces are holding my lips. Whoa. Okay, anyway, let's see how my day goes brushing these braces and eating with them. Yeah, eating with them is going to be so different. Okay. नहीं दिख रहा है पापा, ऐसे क्या कर रहे हो? My dad is like, my braces are being seen visible and you look stupid. He just came from walking right now. पापा पापा मेरा ब्रेसेस नहीं दिख रहा है ना? पूरा बेकार दिख रहा, पूरा बेकार. पापा नहीं दिख रहा है. He's behind my braces from the time I have put it up and he's like, you're looking stupid. पापा कुछ नहीं, सब ठीक लग रहा है. एकदम थर्ड क्लास. मुंह बंद कर दे अपना, नहीं तो कुछ दिख देगा. चाय वाय सब पी ली मैंने. My first day with the breakfast was quite cool. इतना फर्क तो नहीं पड़ा. There was not a big difference though. But let's see if we are able to have rotis and everything, because that you really need to chew. Biscuits is just like, because I have that habit of dipping my biscuits into the tea. So yeah. So I think that was really easy because I could directly swallow it. So let's see if if we can have the lunch and the dinner. Till then, I'll just wait. My dad is going to come again and he's going to take my case all over again. Do I only have such a dad? और सबके dad ऐसे होते हैं. It's high time. I think I need to give you tip number 2 because I just had my lunch and you guys will not believe. Never ever ever have rice when you have braces. Every single piece of rice was like here, everywhere in my mouth. It took me like 15 minutes gargling karna, ye karna, wo karna, everything that I could possibly do and get them out. And I still feel that uh, something is still there inside my mouth. So yeah, do not have rice. Roti, thumbs up. Roti was good. It just went inside. Thoda path reh jata hai. I mean, it gets fixed out in your like ear where you have some space. वो उसमें भर जाता है. But then it comes out easily. It was not a task like rice. Rice was like a real task. So please do not have rice. Oh, by the way, I am sure if you must have seen those videos where people used to save their lipsticks from food. Today I'm gonna save my braces from apple. This is how I'm going to have it. Some time ago I had fruits, that is I had apple, I had grapes, bananas, and yeah, I think that's all. None of them gave me a problem, but yes, the doctor also suggested me not to have fruits like strawberries and I think peru. You cannot have that because it might damage your braces and it might get stuck in your braces. A lot of things can happen, so yeah, stay away from those fruits. Also he told me to brush thrice. Like जो इंसान दिन में सिर्फ एक बार ब्रश करता है अब वो दिन में 3 बार ब्रश करेगा. Wow. There are a lot of tips that he gave me, that is brush thrice, then he's given me some liquid to gargle, he's also given me some wax. I'll just show it to you. This is the wax. All you have to do is just take a small amount of the wax, roll it out and stick on the brackets which are rubbing with gums. This will prevent not only from cuts happening in your mouth but also ulcers due to brackets. Also he gave me some painkillers, but I really hope that I do not get pain because I've heard that for some people it does pains, the braces does hurts them a lot, but till now nothing has happened to me, so I'm just hoping for the best and I hope I'm from those people जिनको pain ना हो. Yeah. No, it's 8. Yeah. So it's 7:30 in the evening. Until now I haven't got any sort of pain or anything, and presently I am working on my laptop where I'll show you what am I doing. As I didn't go out anywhere today, I uploaded the best thing that I always wanted to. So this is my ultimate travel bucket list. As you can see, it consists of Great Barrier Reef and all of those places which we've only dreamt of visiting but have never visited. So yeah, whoever are passionate about traveling, do give it a shot and read the blog. Except for this thing, I did not do any more creative stuff today because I just couldn't. I just didn't want to go out and confront people asking me every now and then, oh you got braces, and I'm like, yes, can you see that? Yes, these are my braces. Like I can't for today. I just didn't want it to. I'm just trying to adapt myself with them. Okay guys, so let me tell you one thing. If you are planning to do braces, then don't go for both the cases at once. First only go for the upper teeth. I'll tell you why. That is because जिनको भी पेन होता है, हो सकता है, यू नेवर नो कि तुम्हें पेन हो या ना हो, बिकॉज अभी तक मुझे तो नहीं हुआ है, बट जिन्हें भी पेन होता है द पॉइंट इज़ कि तुम उतना पेन बेयर नहीं कर पाओगे. अपर टीथ का टाइटनिंग, लोअर टीथ टाइटनिंग, इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट. You first need to adapt the braces and then get the second one. So what I am going to do is I'm going to get the lower cases after 2 weeks so that first I can at least get adapted to the braces, and then yes, the lower ones. So I'm suggesting the same to you guys also. Do not get both together, and it does not even matter actually. 2 हफ्ता इतना कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. It's dinner time now. After half an hour, not now, after half an hour I'm gonna have my dinner, and I have asked my mom to make Maggie. Let's see if we can go with Maggie. Though we are not even allowed to have, not allowed, but it's good not to have noodles and all of those things because it might get stuck. But सब कुछ stuck होने वाला है यार, कुछ तो खाने मिले. It's like that for me. So I just told my mom to make Maggie. I hope she does. कोई भरोसा नहीं है माओ का. मन में आए तो बना दिया, नहीं आए तो नहीं. Okay, so meet you guys after dinner. Bye bye. मतलब bye bye बोलने में bye 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 bye. Being a blogger and a YouTuber, let me show you some things that I receive on a daily basis, or you can say every alternate basis. So these are some PR packages that we receive to review. I do not review all of them. Only if I like it, I do it, or else I don't. That's it. Okay, so any which ways, we did not do anything creative today. So yeah, let's do this. I just received this courier. So this is from a brand, Jator. Okay, so these are some jewelries from Jaroka store. I will mention their page below in the description. This is a beautiful earring. It's like a stud earring. The next we have is a ring. I love colorful rings because you don't have to think on what outfit you really need to wear. You can wear it on any color outfits. Okay, so these are two big earrings. This is the golden one, and the other one is, I think, again a colorful earring. Yes, it's pretty. Okay, so this is from Nordgen. It's a watch brand based in New York, and yeah, let's see how it is. So if I really tell you, then I have to sit and edit this video right now, but instead, what are we going to do? I am going to watch TV. You gotta do this. So it's 8:30 right now, and 8:30 I watch my favorite serial जिसका नाम भी मुझे नहीं पता. Hello mama. Hello. मैं भी जब गाना गाती हूँ तो सब कुछ भूल जाती हूँ. Bye, Papa.
Bye. क्या हो गया?
My dad is going Surat. I don't like when my dad goes. पापा, एक लास्ट टाइम बोलो ना मेरे ब्रेसेस कैसे लग रहे हैं. पापा सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है यहाँ तक.
एकदम थर्ड क्लास भंगार.
कैसे लग रहे हैं मेरे ब्रेसेस?
एकदम भंगार थर्ड क्लास.
क्या पापा ऐसे क्या बोल रहे हो यार?
चेंज कराने वाली थी नहीं किया.
क्या चेंज कराने वाली थी? अब थोड़ी चेंज होता है. नीचे ट्रांसपेरेंट लगाओगी मैं.
हेलो भैया, मैं मेरे को गाड़ी चल.
बाय बाय. टाटा.
इधर वापस क्या गिरा था?
कुछ नहीं गिरा मेरे दांत में से. Hey guys, so it's almost the day end, and till now I haven't got any pain, any hurtings as yet. So yes, it has been very good. But I'm just hoping for the best for the second day, because I have heard that the second day it starts hurting because your braces starts getting tightened. So yes, just hope for the best. Okay, so all the rice lovers out there, please do not hate me because I have got a second thing for you. What you can do is you can have a lot of rice dal, because either that gets swallowed, or either you just have to chew a bit and then that's it. Yes, so have khichdi, have a lot of dal in your rice, and then you can have it. Okay, and one more thing is, for all the people who are looking forward to have braces, do carry a lip balm along with you, because when you put braces, they put up some solutions in your mouth which makes your lip entirely white. So yes, carry your lip balm even after you get braces. Also, yeah, so thanks a lot for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and if you guys have braces, or if you have any tips and tricks which will help me out, please drop in the comment section below. I would love to share it as well. So thank you so much. Bye.